So my last name is Isaacson, and it's also my dad's last name, but no one else in our family has the last name Isaacson. My dad grew up in New York. His father was from Russia, and his mother was from Poland. And he grew up with, he had two other brothers and one sister. And so when he was about, I think, 18 or 19, they moved to California. And my grandpa suffered from anti-Semitism when he was growing up as a child. And so a lot of those feelings and those ideas still stuck with him. And so even though I suppose America was a more accepting place, he still had those feelings with him. And so he decided to change the family name from Isaacson to Saxon. And so now my dad's family is pretty much all Saxons. And but then when my dad, after he had his 3 sons, at some point he decided that Saxon wasn't really who he was, and so he decided to change his name back to Isaacson. And my brothers were all fine with it, but they decided to not change their names because they were born as Saxons. And so when my parents adopted me, then I became an Isaacson. And so now we're the only 2 Isaacsons in the family.